If you're over 60 and your balance has started to feel off, maybe you've noticed more stumbles, more hesitation when turning, or even holding onto furniture for support. You are not alone. These small shifts in stability often go ignored, but they're your body's early warning signs. And no, it's not just aging. What's really happening is this: critical systems in your body, your feet, your joints, your inner ear, your core, they've gone quiet. Not broken, just underused. But the good news? You can wake them back up. In this video, I'm going to guide you through 4 simple standing balance exercises that work quickly, all backed by science, designed specifically for seniors, and safe to do right at home. No gym, no pills, no pressure. Just clear, gentle movements that retrain your body to feel stable and confident again. Let's get started. Most people think losing balance is just about getting older. But here's the truth. Your body is like a finely tuned orchestra, and balance depends on multiple sections playing together. Your feet send signals to your brain, your joints sense movement, your core stabilizes, and your inner ear orients you in space. When any of these systems go quiet, which happens from years of sitting, limited movement, or injury, your balance suffers. The key isn't more intense workouts or fancy machines. It's reactivating these systems through targeted movement, and that's exactly what these 4 exercises do. One retrains how your foot and brain communicate with each step. Another reawakens your core by gently challenging your posture and head position. One forces your joints and coordination to adapt in real time, like real-life balance. And one rebuilds your body's ability to clear obstacles confidently. These aren't random exercises. They're strategically chosen to rebuild the connection between your mind, muscles, and movement. And they work fast, especially when done daily. Even just 3 minutes a day can begin rewiring your body for better balance. Ready to see how? This first move trains one of the most overlooked but most important balance skills: obstacle navigation. In real life, balance issues often show up when stepping over everyday things like door frames, garden hoses, rugs, or curbs. Many falls happen not because of weak muscles, but because your brain and feet lose the habit of coordinating this simple action. The step-over walk retrains your body to lift, aim, and place your foot with intention, activating both your lower body and your neurological timing system. Here's how to do it. Setup. Place a rolled-up towel, a broomstick, or even a thick book on the floor in front of you as your obstacle. Position. Stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart. Use a wall or sturdy chair nearby for support if needed. Movement. Step forward with your right foot, lifting it high enough to clear the object in front of you. Focus on bending your knee and flexing your ankle so your toes point up. Gently land your heel beyond the object. Then shift your weight and bring your left foot over in the same way. Step over and back 6 to 8 times in a slow, controlled rhythm. What to pay attention to? Keep your chest upright and your eyes forward, not looking down the whole time. Avoid dragging your feet. If needed, start by holding onto a chair or countertop until your coordination improves. What this retrains: ankle dorsiflexion, the ability to lift your toes, essential for walking without tripping. Knee control and leg lifting coordination. Sensory motor timing. Your brain relearns when and how high to lift your foot. Confidence in foot clearance and real-life movement patterns. This single exercise mimics what your body has to do daily but often forgets: lifting and clearing the foot while maintaining upright posture. It also forces your body to respond to a real-world scenario, not just static balance. If this feels difficult at first, that's okay and expected. It means you're waking up systems that haven't been used in a while. Stick with it. Over time, you'll feel more stable, more agile, and more confident in daily activities that used to feel risky. Most seniors think balance is all about the legs, but here's the truth. Your core, especially the sides of your trunk and hips, plays a massive role in keeping you steady during movement. When those muscles go unused, your body loses its ability to control side-to-side sway. That's where the single-arm wall lean comes in. It gently challenges your lateral balance system while strengthening your deep stabilizing muscles. Here's how to do it. Setup. Stand sideways about 1 foot away from a wall with your feet hip-width apart. Your shoulder should be lined up with the wall. Hand placement. Place your nearest hand flat against the wall at shoulder height, fingers spread. The movement. Slowly lean your body toward the wall, allowing your supporting arm to bend slightly while keeping your body straight from head to heel. Return. Push gently back to upright position using your core and arm. Repeat the motion 8 to 10 times, then switch sides. Key cues to focus on. Keep your heels down, glutes slightly engaged, and avoid twisting your torso. Don't let your hips shift backward or your chest cave in. Think of drawing your ribs and pelvis toward each other as you push away from the wall. This activates your lateral core. What this retrains: lateral core stability, vital for side-to-side control and reducing fall risk during turning or uneven surfaces. Shoulder stability, helpful when using a wall, cane, or handrail. Hip alignment promotes better control during stepping or balance recovery. For many seniors, this move feels unfamiliar at first because the muscles involved have been asleep for years. That's okay. Your job isn't to be perfect, it's to wake up that system again. After a few days of practice, you'll notice a difference not just in your standing balance, but in your walking rhythm, stair climbing, and posture control. Ever noticed how something as simple as stepping over a small object becomes trickier as we age? That's because many seniors lose not just leg strength, but also foot coordination and timing. This next move is designed to fix exactly that. The step-over exercise helps retrain your body's ability to lift the foot properly, clear small obstacles, and maintain rhythm and control during forward motion. This translates directly to safer walking in real-world environments, like navigating thresholds, curbs, or uneven sidewalks. Here's how to do it. Setup. Place a stable object on the floor, like a towel roll, book, or soft foam block, something about 2 to 4 inches high. Starting position. Stand about 1 step back from the object, feet hip-width apart, arms relaxed by your sides or lightly extended for balance. The movement. Slowly lift one leg, bending the knee so the foot clears the object. Step forward and over the object with control, landing flat-footed. Bring the other leg forward to match. Repeat the motion going back the other direction or reset behind the object and go again. Aim for 5 to 8 slow steps per side. Important details. Keep your gaze forward, not at your feet, to help engage your inner balance system. Lift from the hip and knee, not just the foot. Avoid rushing. This is about control, not speed. Stay near a wall or chair for support if needed. Why this matters. Foot clearance is a leading factor in senior falls, especially at home. This movement rebuilds ankle mobility, hip flexor strength, and balance timing. It also boosts neuromuscular coordination, how your brain tells your foot where and when to move. Over time, this will help you walk more confidently on uneven ground, step over door frames without thinking, and avoid those frustrating toe stubs or near trips that sneak up out of nowhere. Once this becomes easy, you can increase the challenge by using a slightly taller object or by turning your head left and right as you step. Your ankles are your body's shock absorbers, and one of the first systems to quietly weaken with age. When your ankles lose strength and mobility, it affects every part of your balance. From walking to pivoting, even just standing still becomes more risky. This simple exercise helps reverse that. The toe raise at wall targets the often neglected muscles at the front of your lower leg, specifically the tibialis anterior. Strengthening this area helps prevent toe dragging, improve foot clearance, and enhance your body's natural braking system. Here's how to do it. Setup. Stand facing a wall about 1 foot away. Place both hands flat on the wall for support. Feet. Position. Keep your feet flat, hip-width apart, and aligned straight forward. The movement. Slowly lift the front of both feet off the floor, keeping your heels grounded. Raise your toes as high as you comfortably can without leaning back or rocking. Hold at the top for 2 to 3 seconds, then slowly lower your toes back to the ground. Start with 10 repetitions, rest, and repeat for a second round if comfortable. Important tips: keep your core gently engaged to avoid leaning backward. Don't rush, move slow and controlled, especially when lowering the toes. You should feel a light burn or effort in the front of your shins, not pain in the knees or hips. Why this works? The tibialis anterior is critical for walking safety, especially for seniors. It controls toe lift during every step. Weakness here is one of the leading hidden causes of falls, especially when stepping on rugs, thresholds, or curbs. This move also enhances your reaction time, how fast your foot adjusts when stepping on uneven ground or catching yourself during a stumble. Progression. When this feels easy, try the move without wall support, or do one leg at a time to challenge your control even more. And here's the best part. This move takes less than a minute, yet builds a foundation that supports every step you take during the day. If you've made it this far, you've already done more for your balance and safety than most people do in weeks. But let's go deeper. You might be wondering, can I do all 4 of these exercises every day? Yes. In fact, that's ideal. Each one targets a specific part of your balance system: feet, ankles, hips, and posture. Together, they work like a reset button for your entire stability network. And because they're low impact, doing them daily is safe for most people over 60. What if I can't do one of the exercises? That's normal. Everyone starts at a different point. Modify, go slower, use more support. What matters most is that you show up consistently. Even if you only manage one exercise today, it's still a win. Over time, your body adapts. How long before I notice improvements? Most people feel subtle changes within the first week. Better awareness of their steps, slightly more control when turning. By week 3 or 4, things start to shift. You may notice fewer stumbles, easier transitions from sitting to standing, and greater confidence walking around the house. But it takes consistency. Here are a few additional tips. Practice barefoot or in flat, non-cushioned shoes. This helps your foot muscles and nerves stay active. Always perform exercises near a stable surface. Safety first. Track your progress. Use a small notebook or calendar. Mark each day you complete the routine. Don't skip rest. Muscles adapt while recovering. If your legs feel tired or overworked, take a break and come back stronger. Remember, rebuilding balance isn't about perfection. It's about participation. Your nervous system improves through repetition. The more often you do these movements, even briefly, the faster your brain and body rewire together. Now I want to hear from you. If you're committed to rebuilding your balance, type, "I'm resetting my balance," in the comments. Not only does this help you commit, it inspires others in our community to take action too. And if this routine helped you or taught you something new, please consider sharing it with a friend, sibling, or parent who might benefit too. Balance challenges affect more people than we realize, but very few know they can actually do something about it. Lastly, make sure you're subscribed. Why? Because we have more videos coming specifically for balance training, leg strength, safe exercises for neuropathy, and even routines you can do while holding onto a wall or countertop. Your next step? Watch our video on how to train your balance with your eyes closed, one of the fastest ways to rewire your coordination system. You'll find the link at the end of this video or in the description. You're not done. You're just getting started. Stay steady, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one.